First, we clip this safety clip onto the welding gun head. Then, after setting the speed and laser power, press the laser button to start finding the focus. Adjust the distance between the welding gun and the material surface. Till you find the distance when the laser hitting the material surface with strongest power, loud sound and white light. That is the focal point. Unscrew the screw and welding gun tip to find just the screw lengths. Make the screw lengths correct. When the nozzle touches the material surface, the focal point is on the material surface. Lock this screw. This is how we test it and how we find focal point. For aluminum welding, you will need to make the focal point a little bit offset, not exactly on the material surface. You will need to make the screw a little shorter or longer. Find the balance that you can weld aluminum and also avoid much reflection.